Is your ROG Xbox Ally X suffering from brutal input lag and janky motion when docked to your 4K TV? You're not alone, but these solutions will get you back to smooth, responsive gaming right now. First, let's tackle ROG Ally X display settings. Open your settings, navigate to display, and set that refresh rate to a stable 60 Hz, ensuring you disable freezing or VRR. Applying these changes and restarting helps the system recalibrate, often eliminating initial stutter. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in your television's processing, which brings us to method 2, configuring your 4K TV's game mode. Dive into your TV's picture settings, enable game mode, and crucially, turn off all post-processing effects like motion interpolation. These features introduce significant delay. For persistent issues, a physical connection optimization is key. Method 3 focuses on your HDMI setup. Always use a certified HDMI 2.1 cable connected to a low latency port on your TV. Reseat those connections firmly. A loose cable can cause signal degradation. Finally, our fourth method, update your ROG Ally X drivers. Open the My ASUS app, check for system updates, and install the latest AMD graphics drivers. Newer drivers often contain critical performance fixes, especially for external displays. Restart your Ally X after updates to finalize everything. These steps will transform your docked ROG Ally X gaming experience, giving you the fluid, lag-free gameplay you deserve.